Now we will learn about how to utilize a header and footer. For example, you have been created a document, but you would like to write your company name for each of the page on a as a header. Okay, on a heading, you would like to get a company name on each of the page. For that, we have to go to insert, header here, select that header. Here it will be given what type of the header you would like to write. Would you like to write with like this, or this structure, or you can say more options are there. So many formats are there. You can select any of the one format to select the header. You can say edit header to write it your own. Say edit header. Okay, then we have to write here what to be written. For example, I would like to write it as a company name. Okay, and I would like to take this on a right hand side. I would like to take it on a right hand side. What we can do, we can go to home and we say right justify to the right, and you can change the font. Okay, bold, font size you can change. Again, you can come back to design here, and you can insert image also. Logo, if you like to insert, you can insert from here picture. Okay, and like this you can change, and you can change the header from the top. You can change the location where exactly your header to be located from the this particular section, within this particular section. Okay, once you have been done this one, once you have been created this one, header has been created. Okay, same time footer also will be, you can also write it something in a footer also. You can write it something in a footer also, and you can write different header for a different pages, like for a odd and even page. For example, all odd page you would like to write some header, and for all even page you would like to some header. Then we can use a odd and even page, and a different first page. First page only you would like to write something else in a header, then we can use a different first page. Okay, first page header will be like this, and subsequent header will be different. Like this also you can use, but most of the time we'll not be using these things. We'll be using this particular one, and close the header and footer to come back to a original document. Like this it will be added a header. Similarly, we can add a footer also. We can add a footer also. Insert here footer, then say edit footer. Again it will take to a similarly where previously it was there, edit footer. Okay, then again we can say that uh, we can give our email address or website link. We can give it in a footer. Again we can align also. We can also align this one, footer right, middle or center, like that we can align. Okay, we can go to header. If you like to change here itself header, then we can say go to header. Okay, we can insert a date and time to the header. We can select one particular date and time format. You can select, it will give you the detail about when this document has been created. Okay, so that like this you can use a date and time to your document by using here. Okay, and we can insert a footer also. We can change for the footer also. Go to footer here. You can edit anything in a footer. At a time, header and footer you can use by using this, to switching back to header, to edit header, switching back to footer to edit a footer. Once you have been edited everything, you can say close header and footer. Similarly, you can insert a page number. You can insert a page number to your document. How to insert a page number to document? We have to go to insert. Here page number option is there. Page number option is there. You can give the top margin. Okay, on a top, how it will be top of the page if you like to insert, or if you like to insert a bottom of the page with a different formats are available, or margin you can use here. Okay, or format a page number. You can use directly format page number. Okay, and it will be given a format like 1 2 3 or ABC, which type of the page number you would like to give. And would you like to start from certain number? If you like to start from a certain number, we can use a certain number page number also. For example, it need to be start from a 10. Okay, we say 10. Okay, okay, everywhere it has been inserted. Where to be inserted we haven't chosen. We'll go to page number, bottom of the page, on a right corner. You can see now it has been inserted on a right corner. Okay, right side corner, on a bottom of the page. Like this you can insert a page number. Even in a header itself you can change that one. In the sense, in a footer itself, edit footer. Okay, here you can write page number you have been written. The on other side you can use your anything you would like to write it in a footer. You can use that one. Like this you can use a footer also, header and footer. At a time you can edit header, footer, as well as a page numbers. Okay, this is about how can we utilize the header, footer, and a page number by using a insert option. By using this header, footer, and page number to insert a header, footer, and page number to your document. Okay, this is all about how can we insert all the uh, available things in a Microsoft Word.